Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. It's another driving video. So we're basically finishing the ferry. To the right leads into Crossroad downtown, Harborview Airport. This side leads into New Kingston or FERRY. So we're just finishing the Mandela Highway, popularly known as the ferry, and we're heading on to Boulevard. Now down this hill, for who drive this road regular, they'll know that police is always down there. They have to try and maintain that 50 kilometers per hour. They're not there now, but usually they camp out right at that sign on the left, and usually on the opposite side as well, heading into Spanish Town. But I know you guys already know that, so it's not me giving you guys any tip or anything. But welcome back to another city drive. So we're driving from Ferry basically to the MOLYNES Washington or MOLYNES Boulevard intersection, where those two gas stations are opposite each other. That's where we're gonna end the video. We have Liguanea Park community on the left, Liguanea Park shopping center. Now we have Corville Gardens on the right. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. If you have been watching for a while, remember to subscribe. It's all about subscribing, so you can continue to get content like this and much more. Remember to like the video, share the video, and leave a comment as well. Really appreciate you guys starting up at the videos. So we're gonna have all different type of videos: driving videos, construction review, new apartment, new roads, new buildings, new apartments, everything. So you guys bear with me. On the right we have Washington Gardens. Nice community. The only problem I personally have is that sometimes the Riverton dump, the stench from over there, kind of come up and become a nuisance to that community. But nice community. Not as expensive as the MOLYNES or Zadie Gardens or a Mona Heights. It was a cheaper community, but the prices have been rising steadily. Patrick City on the left. Alright, and again it's another city drive. So I hope you guys have on your seatbelt and you're getting a front seat view of this side of Kingston. I will know differently from city drive. We'll do community drive, we'll visit different communities. Sometimes we're lucky to drive through a subscriber community. Sometimes they spot their house. Oh, that car has done a very shiny wrap. Over on the left is the Boulevard Super Center, a very big shopping center on this side. Not a lot of traffic on the road today, but like in the early morning, this thoroughfare is full of traffic. With persons using the boulevard to get into Kingston, into FERRY, into New Kingston. So on this side, you'd have a lot of traffic, and then in the evening, the other side has a lot of traffic now, with persons, leaving work and school, heading back into Spanish Town, back into their community. they're doing some debushing work alongside Boulevard. Usually they do it close to Christmas. I guess they do it probably twice per year. Alright, so we're at this big intersection with MOLYNES Road and Boulevard. So we have a Total gas station on the right and the Texaco on the left. So this is a very main and busy intersection in Kingston. I think everybody should know it. They have the Total over that side, and then MOLYNES Road goes up. So the vehicles on the left going up is going up to MOLYNES Road. This section leads you into Dunrobin, into half a tree, and then if you go left here, you go up MOLYNES Road, bring it up Red Hills as well. So this is where we at, intersection of MOLYNES and Washington Boulevard. I'm gonna go over the Texaco gas station because I need to grab something. So I'm gonna bring you guys over there with me, and then I end the video. So over there they have the B&E Caterers, the restaurant. They have a drive-thru as well. What's the gas price in your part of Jamaica? This is what, $263.10 over the Total. They have a Scotia over here as well. So $263.10 is over by the Total. That's for the 90. So tell me what's the gas price in your area, in your parish. And even if you're overseas, you probably can let us know what the gas price is in your area. You know, the gas price keep going up non-stop. Alright, you have a few shops over here. I did sell. You have a betting and gaming shop. Yeah, of course you have the gas station, mini mart. You have an ice cream section and a little hardware. As I said, the restaurant, B&E Caterers, that's right in front of us. So thanks for clicking on this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing if you haven't yet done so. Really appreciate it. I'm just showing you guys around the area. Remember to like, comment, and share, and I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video.